Okay, how does all this work? What you see here are two club comparisons. One of them has an accuracy of 45, the other one has an accuracy of 64. What does that mean? Well, when I come up here to my sheet, you can see here that 45 equates to 2.1 of wind, or per ring, basically it's 2.1. And then the hammer is 1.7-ish. Because it's 64, it's not quite 1.7, but if you adjust for 1.7, you'll be fine. I always like to have the outside number as well, which is 10.5 or 8.5. That is from center. That is not ring, outside ring to outside ring. That's center to outside ring. So let's start again. And I'll show you what I'm talking about with the ring situation. Make sure it's centered. Okay. So here's my target. Each ring, because this is the Thor's hammer, each ring represents 1.7. So if I wanted to adjust 1.7, I like to use the little take shot button and then click here and go down 1.7. That's 1.7. But as you see, your wind's coming out of this direction, so I actually need to turn it, and it says 2.1, so I'm going to go just a little more than 1.7, and then I'll hit my shot. Now obviously that's not a good shot, but I'm just going to try to get some of these out of the way. So here it is again. This one is the Apocalypse driver. The Apocalypse driver is, I forgot. The Apocalypse is 1.7 as well. Okay, cool. So looking at my wind, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin everything so that the arrow is either towards me or away from me. Right now it's away from me. So right now that means I need to do my adjustment first. So 1.7 is here. That's ish. Oh, sorry. 1.7, I don't know, it's about 2.5. And then basically you take your shot. I picked 4 because I was hoping to get some good ones, but we'll see. All right, 3.9, that's a little bit better. I have no idea what this one goes, but let's just say it was 1 point. Well, actually, I can look over here. Nope, I don't have it on there. Oh, I'm on my second account. You could have made account. Spitfire says 1.7. Oh, jeez. Okay, somehow I managed to pick all the 1.7 clips. So 3.9, I need to adjust for that. But what I was talking about, you've got your rings going this way, and then you have your rings up here in the take shot. So the rings up here in the take shot are the same as your target rings. So when I go to take shot and I pull it back, if I miss up here, it's going to be the same. So let's say that I just hit it great. I've actually missed in the red on the left. So it's actually going to go further left than I want it to go. It's not going to go perfect. Aha, there's some good side wind action. So I want the club to go here. That's where I want my ball to go. So I'm going to use this circle, which is the perfect, and I'm going to try to make sure that it's at least safe in the good, because like I said, I hit a lot of good shots. So I at least want the orange ring to land somewhere on the fairway. Now it's 1.7, which is one ring. So what that means is that if I hit it good or great, I'll still clear the rough. And that's what I want to do, is I still want to clear the rough. So here's my sniper. I've got 1 mile an hour of wind, which the sniper is a 1. So it looks like I'm going to have to overpower it in order to get that orange ring. And so that's how much I'm going to overpower it. It looks like it's a pretty good amount. So let's just see. And it's going to miss to the left, but because it's a sniper, it's not going to miss that badly left. That's why I like the sniper. Then here we've got 2, 3. So when I line this up, I want to make sure, whatever. I want to make sure that my orange is on the fairway because I hit it great a lot. So right now my orange is on the fairway. Now I need to adjust for 2, 3. So I set that up. Now I adjust for 1, 2, 3-ish, right? And I hit it perfect, so I'm definitely going to be on the fairway. But I gave myself enough room for good.